Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. Today we will discover what Neblio cryptocurrency is. Let's start. Neblio offers enterprise-level blockchain solutions to help facilitate the tokenization of physical and digital assets as NFTs. Neblio, as a development platform, offers support for 8 of the most popular programming languages with its developer APIs, more than many other blockchain platforms. The Neblio core team also offers services and consultancy to enterprise clients and institutions wishing to build their own blockchain projects or even their own fully custom blockchain based on Neblio Tachyon technology. NEBL is the native coin of Neblio, which can be utilized by holders to stake while becoming node operators of the network. Where did Neblio come from? The project was founded in 2017 by IT professionals Edward Smith and Ann Jackson. NEBL had its ICO in August 2017 and ended up selling 13 million NEBL coins. By the way, the plan was to sell 125 million coins, but those unrealized coins were burned. This decision helped to maintain the system in balance. Now let's take a look at the Neblio advantages. Security. The Neblio team assures that they did a great job on making their brainchild immune to frauds and hacks. The POS algorithm also strengthens Neblio security. Scalability. Nodes that are distributed all over the world contribute to the easier access and fast operation of the system. Staking algorithm. Holders can stake using regular or cold staking methods and receive 10% rewards in the form of new NEBL coins based on any amount of NEBL held. API architecture that supports multiple programming languages and makes blockchain development accessible to thousands of developers. Metadata encryption. A sender can encrypt transaction metadata with a single click, which is automatically decrypted for the recipient. If we talk about disadvantages, we can mention strong competition. This is not so easy to become a top popular coin in this huge pool of competition between various cryptocurrencies. Nowadays, Neblio team is focused on reaching out and onboarding developers from all over the world and also providing education via easy-to-understand content for non-tech people about their blockchain and how it can be used to create apps that have practical application in the real world. We hope this video was useful and helped you to understand the Neblio project a little bit better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel to see more videos from SimpleSwap.